So we are on chapter number 6, which is import. You'll notice we just cleaned up the code on the right, and you now have tabs at the top of the editor. Go ahead, click between the tab to try it now. So here it is. In the last section, chapter number 5, we have seen inheritance where we have created a new contract. So in this chapter, they have just split it into two files. Here the contract that we have created last time, which is inherited from zombie factory. Now let's see what is imported. Our code was getting pretty long, so we split it into multiple files to make it more manageable. This is normally how you will handle long code base in your Solidity projects. When you have multiple files and you want to import one file into another, Solidity uses the import keyword. Here it is. So if we had a file name, some other contract as well in same directory as the contract that's with the dot slash means it would get imported from the imported by the compiler. We'll test now that we have set up the multi-file structure. We need to import to read the contents of other file. So now let's import zombie factory. Uh, Now import factory also into the new file zombie fitting dot as well. Now let's import it. Import zombie factory dot as well. So that's how we can import this file into this smart contract. Now let's check the answer. Yes, correct. So we have seen how we can import other contract inside another contract. So let's move on to chapter number 7.